Mrs. Sierra, welcome to the K Preview. Welcome. We're happy to have you here in Düsseldorf. You're from Huntsman Technoelastomeri, and you can tell us what innovations we can expect to see presented at the K in October.
Today we are going to speak to you about our global collaboration with Rederfolger, a German producer, about our introduction of a super-size polyurethane based on MDI technology wheel on the market. And these super-size wheels are used in many applications. We had the first success as Dango, a vehicle for foundry producer that was very happy about the results, and they purchased 6 wheels from us, 2 meters, so quite big, so huge big wheels, and they was so satisfied that they give us the permission to use their name and reference on the market. And now the next step is propose these super-size polyurethane wheels in the mining industry. That is the biggest opportunities, both to the underground and open pit mining. This is what we are going to introduce on the market.
So how do you think the industry is going to react to this innovation?
I think well, because what the mining is looking for is really a simple index, lower cost for tons transport. And based on our calculation, we know that we have a good value proposition for that. We can reduce the cost in the mining because our super-size wheels compared to rubber has a higher durability, up to 3-4 times. They have a higher load capacity, up to 3-4 times. This means you can make smaller wheels with the same load capacity, better abrasion resistance, that in the mining is very important because you have a lot of impact problem in the mining environment. And the latest, but also very important, safety, because you don't have to inflate these wheels, you don't have problem of explosion in the mining, that is quite an important issue, and overall we believe we have a good package. We have received already some order for the mining, and we can prove our value proposition in the next month. So we are quite positive about that.
Apart from safety and reducing costs, what is the industry going to be talking about in the future, in the next couple of years?
I would say that nowadays, with the, let's say, drop down in price in the oil industry, mining are suffering quite a lot. So I have to say that the cost is the main driver now in the mining. It's the right moment to invest, because when the market is down, it's the right moment to propose new things. I have to say that the cost is the main topics they are looking for. Of course, there are some future that we can offer to this wheel, like the flexibility and the tailor-made, because polyurethane can be colored in yellow, in red, so this means better communication in mining, more visibility, again for safety reason, but also we can tailor-made our wheels depending on the application, shuffle car or whatever vehicle. We can, as Huntsman Technoelastomeri, tailor-made the technology and give the right and specific performance that the industry are looking, both if it's OEM or retailer. And latest, but also most important, is that with our wheels, in particular for the OEM, you can produce also smaller wheels, and the OEM can build up on our wheels smaller vehicle that can better move inside the mining, for example, the tunnel. That is very important. As a matter of fact, one of the orders we get was from the OEM. Why? Because they build up a new vehicle around our wheels.
Mr. Sierra, thank you so much for talking to me today, and I wish you a good time now in Düsseldorf, but also, of course, at the K in October. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.